The master engineering with concentration in biomanufacturing is essentially building a human capacity to support the growth in this space. The last 2 semesters are dedicated to internship with industrial partner, governmental partner that are involved in the biomanufacturing of biologics.
Moderna is building a manufacturing facility locally in Quebec, in Montreal. Along with the biomanufacturing programs that's being developed would really attract the global talents as well as the local talent in Montreal to flourish and take its place in the global space of mRNA manufacturing.
The biomanufacturing program really allows us to meet experts from the field, from the industry, and it's giving us an opportunity to learn about what is happening in the industry. And it's allowing us to get that deeper level of training.
Having these unique biomanufacturing programs, along with this groundbreaking mRNA science and bringing interdisciplinary research again across multiple disciplines, Canada will be in a position to be a global player in the field of both biomanufacturing and biomanufacturing specifically more in the mRNA space.